Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Porsche Panamera's engine air filter. This essential maintenance task helps your engine breathe better, leading to improved performance and better fuel efficiency. While it might seem daunting, requiring the removal of the front bumper, we will guide you through each step. The entire job can take anywhere from 1 to 4 hours, but with careful attention, you can successfully complete it yourself. Before starting, gather your tools. You will need Torx bits in sizes T20, T25, and T30, along with Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, and a plastic pry tool. Safety first, so ensure your vehicle is securely lifted and the front wheels are removed for better access. If your Panamera has air suspension, remember to activate jack mode to prevent any issues during the lifting process. This step is the most involved. Begin by carefully removing the front headlights. Your Panamera's toolkit contains a special tool for this. Next, you will need to unfasten several Torx screws that secure the front bumper cover. These are located in the wheel wells, along the top, and underneath the bumper. Once all screws are removed, gently pull the bumper away, disconnecting any electrical connectors for lights or sensors as you go. With the bumper removed, you will now have access to the air filter housing. Locate and open the housing, typically secured by several screws or clips. Remove the old, dirty filter and insert your new one, ensuring it sits snugly within the housing. Finally, reassemble all components in the reverse order of removal, carefully reconnecting all electrical connections and ensuring every screw is properly tightened for a secure finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.